Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I am going to show you how to get the sum of filtered data in Excel. So here I have this data set with sales rep name, region and the sales value, and I want to get the sum of these sales value here. So I would come here to this cell, use the sum function and have this entire range as the input, and it gives me this value here. Now see what happens when I filter this data. I select any cell in this data set, I go to the data tab, and here I click on the filter icon. It applies the filter to the header row, and here I would deselect everything and only select US. So this filters the data and only gives me the data for the US. And you can see in this case, this cell still gives me the sum of the entire range. But if you want only the data for the cells that are visible, the filtered data, then you have to use another formula. But before that, let me remove the filter. Now, the formula that you have to use is the subtotal formula. And this formula can give you many different values. It can give you the average, count, COUNTA, max, min, and all these. And in this case, I'm looking for sum. So I would double click on the sum portion here, and it inserts 9, which tells the subtotal function that I'm looking for the sum of the range that I'm about to give it. And now I would have this entire range as the input. And now when I hit enter, it gives me the same value because as of now, all these cells are visible. But now if I go back again and filter this data based on US as the region, it'll instantly update and give me the sum of only those cells that are visible. So if you only want to get the sum of visible cells, the cells that are filtered, then you have to use the subtotal function. Another thing that I want to tell you about the subtotal function is that it has two different types of sums. So in this case, I can get the sum if I use the number 9 or I use the number 109. The difference is that if I use 9, it is not going to ignore hidden rows or hidden cells. But if I use 109, it is going to ignore any data that is not visible and is hidden as well. So these are the two different types of sums that you can get using subtotal function. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you like the videos, then please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you are notified of any new Excel video that I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.